Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about different kinds of sentence. Okay. Before we go, how many types of sentences are there? Let's know what is a sentence. Okay. Sentence means okay. A sentence should have number of words which gives us complete sense or which expresses the thought or the idea what a person wants to express. So, sentence should have the complete thought. For example, I'll give you an example. The blue sky is. Now, I said here a sentence should have group of words. Here we have some group of words are given here, but the meaning is not clear. The blue sky is. These words should be arranged in a proper order. The person who want to express this sentence, here he wrote the sentence but the sentence is not proper, so he can write like this: the sky is blue. Now here it is telling that the sky is blue. He wants to express that the sky is blue. The sky is blue, so this is right sentence. This sentence, it is a sentence, but the words are not properly arranged. So, a sentence should express the complete thought or the idea what he or she wants to express. So, this is right and this is wrong because the words are not properly arranged. That is number one, you have to remember here, children. Number two is when you want to write a sentence, all the sentences are not of the same kind. The sentences will be of different kinds. Okay, some sentences can be with the exclamatory mark, some sentences may end with the full stop, some sentences may end with the question mark, but all the sentences start with capital letter. This you have to remember. Every sentence should start with capital letter, but all the sentences may not end with a full stop because all the sentences will not express the same meaning. That's why sentences are of different kinds. Okay, so now sentences are four kind, children. There are four kinds. Okay, if you can see it here, children, the first one is a declarative sentence, the second one is interrogative sentence, the third one is imperative sentence, the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Now, children, we'll go with one after another. What is a declarative sentence? Declarative sentence tells information about anything. Okay, declarative sentence tells information about anything. That is the meaning of the declarative sentence. And the declarative sentence, children, ends with the full stop. These two things you have to remember whenever you get a declarative sentence. First thing is it tells information about anything and it should end with a full stop. Now here I wrote the examples here, children, if you can see here. The food is tasty. Now I took a full stop here, and as I said, the declarative sentence ends with a full stop, and I said it tells information. Now here the food is very tasty. Now here the tasty of the food, it's giving information. It's giving us information about the tasty of the food here, children. Okay, that's what I said here. Tells information about anything. Okay, we'll go with one more example here, children. He is a handsome man. Now here it is giving the information about the man that he is handsome, children. So that is the meaning of declarative sentence. It is ending with full stop, it is ending with full stop, and it is giving about the information. The second sentence here is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence means they ask questions. Okay, they ask questions. The work of the interrogative sentence is to ask questions, and the sentence will end with a question mark here. Okay, so we'll go with some examples here, children. Okay, now I said questioning words like what, where, will. We'll make some questions here. Who are you? Now, who is a questioning word? Since it is a questioning word, it is ending with a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay? Who are you? What is your name? And you can go with the, will you be my friend? Will is also a questioning word here, children. That's why we took a question mark. So, interrogative sentence ends with a question mark and they ask questions. Let's go back with the third one, that is the imperative sentence, children. Imperative sentence gives command and or ask for a request. This is the work of the imperative sentence, gives command or ask for a question. Okay, and imperative sentence also ends with full stop. Sometimes it will end with the exclamatory mark, sometimes, but we'll go with the full stop. Okay, some examples I wrote here. Please bring some water. That means you are requesting, please, please bring some water. There is a full stop here. That means you are requesting. Okay, go out of my class. When you use force, children, we can take exclamatory mark instead of full stop. When you are using more force, okay, you have to take exclamatory mark even though it is an imperative sentence. Okay, get out of my class. So when you use force, children, even though it is an imperative sentence, you can take exclamatory mark. So imperative sentence gives command or ask for request. Okay, last one here we have here is exclamatory sentence. The work of the exclamatory sentence is it expresses strong emotions or feelings. Okay, strong emotions and feelings when we express, children, when you're happy, when you're sad, when you're disappointed. So such times you express these kind of emotions or feelings. So exclamatory sentence ends with a exclamation mark. So we have some examples here. Okay, what a beautiful day. Here I took what. Okay, again you will be confused, what is a questioning word, sir, but you're taking a exclamatory mark. Here, children, what a beautiful day. That means you're enjoying your feelings that today is a very nice day. You're enjoying here, children. So when you're enjoying, the feeling of enjoyment is seen here. That's why, okay, even though it is a questioning word, I took because the feelings are expressed here. That is a huge ship. Here you are expressing a surprise. Okay, generally we see a medium kind or a large ship, but here it is a very large ship. When you are expressing it, okay, see a large ship, you will be surprised to see. So that's why we took a exclamatory mark here, children. So what I want to tell here is all these sentences are starting with capital letter, but all these sentences are not expressing the same meaning. That's why sentences are of four kinds. They express different meaning. That's why some are ending with full stop, some are ending with a question mark, and some are ending with a exclamatory mark. So altogether we are having four kind, children. Okay, remember four kinds of sentences are there, and what they do, and what is the meaning of them. Okay, how they end. Okay, all these are expressed. Okay, learn this and remember, okay, how to write different kinds of sentences. Thank you.